Hi, I'm Haley.
And I'm Gary, and we're one of the Subaru Leave No Trace traveling teams. And to celebrate summer, we want to share with you 5 tips for cooking at your campsite to minimize impact and to leave as little trace as possible.
We know that preparing for a camping trip can sometimes be overwhelming, but whether you are at a local state park or a dispersed campsite outside of a national park, or even your own backyard, these 5 tips are essential for campers of all experience levels.
So, let's get into it.
Tip number 1, use a camp stove when cooking whenever possible. Stoves are easier to cook on and create less impact at the campsite than a fire.
Tip number 2, protect wildlife and your food by securely storing all food and trash. Human food is bad and unhealthy for all wildlife, and feeding them starts bad and potentially dangerous habits.
Tip number 3, when cooking, be considerate of others by being aware of how much space you are using and the noise level of your group. Tip number 4, dispose of waste properly when washing dishes. If a dishwashing facility is available at the campground, use it. Otherwise, strain out any food scraps or crumbs, put them in your trash, and use water and minimal soap to get your dishes clean. Dispose of the dishwater by scattering it 200 feet from campsites, water sources, or trails.
Tip number 5, remember to pack out or properly store in your car, bear box, etc. all trash and food when you're done cooking.
Leave No Trace is not about perfection, it's about action.
And it's important to do all that we can to minimize our impact while spending time outside. And having these tips handy will help us minimize our impact while still being able to enjoy the fresh air and sunshine this summer.